Wanna wipe just something on your face.
My face?
Yeah. Oh, it won't go. It's cuteness.
I'm half UP and half Maharashtrian.
Nice. I'm mixed.
You're from?
I'm half Maharashtrian
And
and
yeah, that's why I'm here. Like, I was just feeling lonely,
yeah.
and I want to spend some time with me.
And I disturbed her. That's what she's telling. That I disturbed her. You never had a boyfriend.
Uh,
I believe in Krishna.
yeah, I do.
If
I mean,
Krishna wants this conversation to happen, he'll stop the rain.
oh,
And that, kids, is how I met your mother.
Excuse me. Do you speak English? By any chance, yeah? Well, you cannot do this here. It's not allowed.
Sorry?
Yeah, you this place you cannot do it here. It's not allowed. It's illegal. Like looking this beautiful and making the others jealous. Sorry, I have a weird way to compliment strangers.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Mansi.
Mansi. Nice to meet you, Mansi. I'm Ayush.
Hi.
Today I'm complimenting strangers
Okay.
and I'm asking them what is the best pickup line or compliment they've ever got.
This is the one I got.
भाऊ जे मला माहित नाही ते सांगा. टेल मी समथिंग आय डोंट नो.
Oh wow. Well, I'm a lucky person then. You look really beautiful. So I was like,
Thank you.
I was a bit nervous. Ki, should I go and talk or no? By the way, what do you do, Mansi?
Actually, I do study and I work in bank.
You work in Bangalore.
Bank.
Bank.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you. Okay.
No. I do work and I do study also.
Yeah. Well, you should try fashion or something.
Fashion.
Why banking?
Because I'm an account student.
You're an account student. Okay. Nice. Well, would you like to be part of a 10-20 seconds video? 10-20 seconds.
What exactly?
I'm gonna give you some pickup lines and you'll rate it.
Okay.
Yeah? Wow. I love your innocence.
Yeah.
Did anyone ever tell you?
No, because I'm very shy person.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, let's try and make you extrovert today, shall we?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah? Perfect. Okay, is it? I think the frame is okay. Maybe my head is just cutting off.
So.
I don't know, 1 second. Hold your hand over here. No, over here. Over here.
Okay.
Okay. Just hold it like that. Yeah?
यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
Yep. I'm definitely going off the frame. You should do it. Perfect. Thank you.
मर्द का सर सिर्फ 3 औरतों के सामने झुकता है, अपनी माँ के सामने, एक दुर्गा माँ के सामने और
I'm so sorry. So yeah. So before we start, do you wanna wipe just something on your face?
my face?
Oh, it won't go. It's cuteness. Gotcha. Wow, I loved your reaction. Did you like it?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
7?
7.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, do you know that the black hole
Mhm.
has the second most gravitational pull in the world?
Yeah. I know
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
It has the second most. Do you know what's the first?
Oh,
Your eyes.
oh God.
Gotcha.
Okay,
Wow.
that was good one.
I love your innocence, and the way you smile.
Okay, thank you.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I have turned 24 in this July.
Is it?
Yeah.
I was gonna guess 22,
No.
to be very honest.
24.
Yeah.
July this July.
Well, take it as a compliment.
Oh, thank you so much.
And also, where did you get that, by the way?
What? This?
Yeah, no, that beautiful smile.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Wow, back to back 3 on the row.
Yeah.
I mean, has like no one has ever used a pickup line on you?
No, because I'm very introvert type, so I
You
do
are?
not recent frequently. I do not talk to person.
No?
Yeah.
Are you like, it's because of something happened in the past, you don't trust strangers? I'm guessing.
No, not that type. But like I'm really introvert. Like I do not talk to
Yeah?
people suddenly. So
1 hour later.
I don't know what will happen in future.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. Like I was just feeling lonely,
Yeah.
and I want to spend some time with me.
And I disturbed her. That's what she's telling. That I disturbed her.
No, you didn't.
Now she's just being a sweet person.
No. No, really.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Why were you feeling lonely? Why today?
because I recently
You had a breakup.
no, not a breakup.
Fight.
Kind of with my favorite person.
Hmm.
So that's why I just want to spend time with me. There are my best friends. They want to come for me, but I said
Yeah.
no. This is my time.
This is my time.
Let me spend it with me. Otherwise,
Yeah.
in future, I won't be that person I want to be.
Right.
That's why
Very
I
true.
just came here to spend some time. I
Yeah.
have people, but I know I can't tell everything to them because I'm that person. I feel a lot. I'm a person. I feel everything a lot. I overgive everything to person. If I'm sad, I feel very sad. If I'm happy, I'm very happy. If I talk a lot.
कौन है ये लोग कहाँ से आते हैं ये
There is like no limited. So that's why I'm trying to control myself. There are some people they don't deserve me.
Yeah.
So that's why.
But don't control them. Don't control yourself for those people.
Yeah, but
I'll see the Sakshi that I'm seeing right now.
Mansi,
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Mansi,
I'm so sorry.
that's my sister name.
Is it?
Yeah, that's
Maybe intuition then. Intuition. Mansi, I'm so sorry. Well, I did it on purpose to make you.
okay.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा
Oh, but yeah, Mansi, I did it on purpose so that I was saying where this conversation is going.
Okay.
Oh wow, thank you. He was dancing behind the camera. He was dancing behind us.
Okay.
Yeah, because your smile is very precious. You know
Thank
why?
you. Why?
Because you don't smile a lot.
Uh,
When we lack something, na,
Hmm.
that thing actually becomes very precious. And your smile is.
Thank you.
And don't lose yourself for anyone.
Yeah.
They're not worth it.
Yeah.
You know, I've heard this. This is not my quote. Yeah, I've heard this. That if there are two wolves,
Hmm.
okay, one is caged in darkness
Hmm.
and one is caged in the light, in bright sunlight,
Hmm.
right? Who will survive?
The dark one?
The one you feed.
Oh,
You get the meaning behind it.
yeah.
There's like positive thoughts, there's negative thoughts.
Hmm.
Which one will survive? The one you feed.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing that you are a Mulang 2 born.
No.
What's your birthday?
23.
20, right? So
23.
23. Oh,
Yeah.
you're a 5 born. That's why your emotions are like so scattered, so crazy.
Yeah.
Oh,
I also
thing.
believe this numerology. and
Yeah,
everything.
well, me too.
What's yours?
Guess. Ask me some questions, and then it will be easy for you to guess.
What exactly you like to do when you are alone?
When I'm alone, ooh, see, I love to work
Okay.
this kind of work.
Okay.
If I don't have work, then I like to watch web series
Okay.
or movies.
Okay. Maybe 4?
Or no,
No 4.
maybe another question.
Mm, how do you feel like if things happen to you?
If something happens to me,
Like you feel deep or you let it go?
if it's, I'll tell you how I should be feeling according to my numerology. If something negative or something bad happens, then I should be overthinking a lot because I'm a very emotional person according to the
Two.
yeah. According to the
Two
numerology.
people think a lot and
Yeah.
express a lot.
Express a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. According to numerology, that should happen,
Then-
but it's not actually. I mean, I used to be that person,
Okay.
as I said. Can you guess my age? Then I'll say what I turned last year.
Your age.
Yeah.
I'm very bad in guessing.
Okay, like, take a random guess. I'm not gonna sue you for that.
26, 27?
Perfect.
26?
I'm 26.
Oh.
Next month I'm gonna turn 20.
Oh, next month only,
Next
September.
September.
27. Yes. I did it. I did it.
So,
हमने किया
You never had a boyfriend.
I did, but it was a very bad experience. And at that age, I was young.
That
Very.
age,
I was very young at that age.
16,
No, like after school. Yeah,
17,
yeah.
17, 18.
And it was because of my best friend only. That was also very easy day.
Why don't we find such best friends?
Ah,
Uncle, चल रहा है recording? Thank you. I had to ask
okay.
because it takes so much space.
Yeah, that's why.
Wow, it's raining.
Raining. That's why I had this.
Wow. Cool shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
देखो इन्हें ये है होश की बूंदें
I love rain. I'm a rainy person. I just
Mansi,
want-
you're gonna get sick.
No, I don't.
Acha, how about we just go and find a shed
No, I just want to sit in rain only.
in rain?
Yeah. That's why I didn't bought any umbrella. I knew it's going to rain.
Okay, let's do one thing. I believe in Krishna.
Yeah, I do.
If
I'm-
Krishna wants this conversation to happen, he'll stop the rain.
Oh,
Let's see.
let's see.
I think he will.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think he wants this conversation to happen. Otherwise, there was no way that we would have met.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. I just don't want to sit.
Uh,
Not anymore. See, the rain is gone.
it's coming.
He's making sure na that I trust him.
Yeah, okay.
So that's why he's gonna do some drizzle.
Actually, I'm the part of Krishna. I'm Yadav. Krishna, Yadav and she.
Yadav dynasty.
Yes, yeah.
Wow. You're from UP
Yeah. I'm from UP.
and you were born here.
No, I was born there. I was born here.
Okay.
Yeah. My schooling, everything has been done from Maharashtra only. I'm half UP and half Maharashtrian.
Nice. I'm mixed.
You're from? Say.
I'm half Maharashtrian
And
and half sexy.
okay. Okay.
I know what works on you now.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, I like knowing people, so. And see, the rain is gone.
Yeah.
But I don't wanna. I just cleaned myself. Would you like to continue this conversation?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Uh,
Hardest part.
it's going to be wet.
It's what?
Yeah, it's wet.
It's wet.
Yeah.
Can I say something unfiltered?
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Unfiltered. You know what
Yeah.
unfiltered is.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. See?
That's what she said.
Okay.
I asked you
Understood.
permission.
Yeah. Understood.
Wow, Sakshi, you're so. I love your simplicity.
Okay, but again you took my wrong name.
Is it?
Hmm.
What did I say?
Sakshi.
No.
Yeah, you did.
No, I said hi,
Yeah.
beautiful.
No?
I didn't say Sakshi.
Okay.
Yeah.
गजब टू बी बाज आदमी
So yeah, we were saying that. So how was your first relationship experience?
It was very bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very bad.
Why was it bad?
Actually, I was very young and I don't know how to handle this such situation because I never wanted to any boyfriend or something.
Okay.
It was my best friend who wants me to date that person because her boyfriend was his best friend. So and I was her best friend. So she
Wow.
wants ki best friend, boyfriend, girlfriend. And I was
Yeah.
like, no, I didn't want to.
Why don't I find any best friends like
It
this?
was very worst. You
Yeah.
should not.
Then thank God I don't find
Yeah.
any. I don't have any best friends.
Yeah, that was good. You must
Wow.
not.
Do you want to play a game?
What kind of
A
game?
word game.
Okay.
So I'm gonna tell you a word, and
Okay.
whatever the first thing comes out of your mind,
Okay.
you cannot think. Whatever the first thing comes out of your mind,
Okay.
okay? You have to say it,
Okay.
okay? You can do the same thing with me if you want to.
Okay.
So let's start.
Okay.
Love.